Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your data to iCloud step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your iPhone or iPad. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. Select iCloud from the list of options. You'll see a summary of your iCloud storage. If you haven't set up iCloud yet, tap Set up iCloud and follow the prompts. Next, toggle on the apps and data you want to back up to iCloud. Common options include photos, contacts, calendars, and notes. Once you've made your selections, go back to the iCloud menu. Tap on iCloud Backup. Ensure that iCloud Backup is toggled on. To initiate a backup, select Backup Now. Wait for the backup process to complete. To confirm that your backup was successful, check the timestamp listed under Last Backup. If you want to transfer data from a different device, set up that device and sign in with the same Apple ID. Select Restore from iCloud Backup during the setup process. Choose the most recent backup from the list to restore your data. Once you've selected the backup, the device will start restoring your data. Wait for the transfer to finish, then complete the setup prompts. Your data should now be available on your device through iCloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.